I think it's important for people to attend the flooring show to create an opportunity to see new innovation, to network, to have a look at new products within the market, and to come and see some best practice installation on our demo zone.
So many businesses here in the whole flooring category, and this is the one show every September that you just cannot miss.
It's the one place where everybody can come together to network, to meet new people, to build on their relationships, and it's a fantastic way to get in touch with the market, understand what's happening out there, and being really focused on how we can drive together to make a better future.